Have you ever looked at a billionaire and wondered, what do they have that I don't? We're told success is a simple equation. Hard work plus talent equals results. It's the dream of the meritocracy. But what if a massive chunk of that equation is something entirely out of your control? What if it's just luck? Today we're diving into the invisible hand of the professional world. From the Ovarian lottery to the secret advantage of having a surname that starts with the letter A, we're breaking down the science of why some people get ahead and how you can actually manufacture more luck for yourself. Let's start at the very beginning. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest men in history, famously admits he won the Ovarian lottery. He was born in America at a specific time in history with a brain wired for capital allocation. If he'd been born in a different century, those same traits might have been useless. But it goes deeper than geography. Data shows that physical traits, things we don't choose, massively impact our earnings. Research consistently finds that good looks are associated with higher pay and a significantly higher chance of being called for an interview. And then there's the name game. A 2022 study found that economists with harder-to-pronounce names were less likely to secure tenure-track positions. Even more bizarre? If your surname starts with A or B, you are statistically more likely to get tenure at top departments. Why? Because in many journals, authors are listed alphabetically. That tiny bit of alphabetical luck leads to more visibility, more citations, and more success. We love to attribute success to genius, but in many high-stakes industries, the data tells a different story. Take the oil industry. You'd think finding oil would be a pure science, right? Wrong. Analysis of 50 years of drilling on the Norwegian continental shelf concluded that the differences in success rates between firms were essentially random. 90% of industry practitioners admit that luck is the primary driver of exploration. We see this in the stock market too. Most star asset managers who outperform the market in one period often lose their luster in the next. Even CEO pay is often a result of being in the right place at the right time. A study from the London Business School looked at the 2017 U.S. tax cuts. These were windfall gains that had nothing to do with manager skill. Yet, CEOs of less scrutinized firms saw their pay skyrocket anyway. Lucky things. At this point, you might be thinking, is it all just a roll of the dice? Why even try? Well, here's the shift. While luck puts you in the game, skill determines how long you stay there. A Harvard study showed that founders who succeeded once have a much higher chance of succeeding again compared to those who failed. This suggests that while the first win might involve a heavy dose of luck, repeating that success requires genuine expertise. Skill doesn't replace luck. It mitigates it. So, how do we handle this? The answer isn't to sit back and wait. It's to increase what experts call your luck surface area. The team at Y Combinator tells founders to apply even if they feel unready. Why? Because putting yourself in situations where you might be rejected is the only way to give luck the opportunity to strike. If you want to get lucky in your career, do these 3 things. Number 1, assess the process, not just the result. A bad decision can have a lucky outcome. Don't reward the fluke, reward the logic. Number 2, use portfolio thinking. Don't bet everything on one well. The more independent bets you take, whether it's networking or learning new skills, the higher the probability that one will pay off. And number 3, reward consistency. Mr. Buffett might have had a slice of luck at the start, but a lifetime of success suggests he has maximized it. The truth is, we are all lucky beyond recognition just to be here. Acknowledging the role of chance doesn't diminish your hard work. It actually makes you a better strategist. So, stop waiting for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Instead, start increasing your luck surface area. Send that lucky email. Take that lucky meeting. And most importantly, keep showing up. Because the truth is, the harder you work on the right things, the luckier you'll seem to everyone else. It's not magic. it's strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next briefing.